If we haven't met before, I'm Allison, and I live in a sweet coastal town in the Pacific Northwest, where my motto is don't waste the sun. I love cleaning and creating a beautiful space, but in the kitchen I'm sure to cook up more comedy than culinary delights, which you won't want to miss. So like and subscribe, hit that bell notification at the top of the page, and join me today as I decorate for Christmas. First things first, get in the mood, we have to turn on some Christmas tunes. And my first pick of the day is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer and Frosty the Snowman Medley by Kenny G. This gets me in the holiday spirit.
Jingle them bells and frolic. Oh, by gosh, some stolly. Eggnog, gin and tonic make Yuletide gay and jolly. Same procedure every year, I just can't get enough. I drink till Rudolph reappears, a toast to him, that red-nosed deer. Jingle them bells and frolic, it's the best day of the year. Come fly with me now, Rudy. I'm loaded.
So last year I made a star for the top of my tree, but I need to redo it because it fell apart. Look back on my video that I made last year because I can't really remember how this star went. It's taken me about a half hour to put this into the star shape. Last year it took me about 10 seconds to So something I've shared with you guys before is I always get new pillowcases for my pillows for the different seasons. They're the ones that I have for Christmas. It matches the fur or the tree. I will say this one seems like a little bit harder to get into. I don't know, it just doesn't stretch as easily, so I don't know, but we'll do it. It'll work. I don't ever give up. Okay, next okay. Over here in this corner, it gets kind of cold because the windows are here, but I'm going to try to make this a cozy spot. I might have made it a little too cozy. So I just laid down for a little while. I think I'm going to get back up.
Oh, coffee.
So this gingerbread house is really old. I think it's from the 70s probably, I'm not sure. Anyways, it's from Avon. I've always loved it. Look at all the detail. There's even like a little heart on the door. Sometimes Christmas brings back like a lot of wonderful memories, but it also can bring back a lot of hard and painful memories too. I think like for me, I don't know if you guys feel like this, but sometimes like bringing back all those things that we had as a child, it triggers you a little bit.
There's a feeling I remember from the time when I was young, on the last days of December. Me and you and everyone, we would run around the big house where your cousins used to live, and we do lots of things I know our folks would not forgive. My time of the year. Oh, I know it's a lot to ask for a day to forever last. I could wash my hands, but still would relive my past. My time of the year. My time of the year.
Okay, pumpkin pie break. Right now I'm making some whipped cream. I actually don't have like a mixer or anything to mix it up with. So I use my Ninja. It makes like good smoothies and stuff, but it also, I found, really does whipped cream really fast. I will link it below. I don't like mine too sweet, so I just put in like a little bit of sugar, a little vanilla. Vanilla has alcohol in it. And so like one day I was like, this smells like alcohol. It tastes like alcohol. It is alcohol. Let's just be honest. I'm gonna eat this out of the pie tin.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Shepherds, while this jubilee.
So this Christmas tree I'm putting here in my bedroom. This was actually the first tree I ever purchased for myself. It just has good memories with it. I need to show you guys this. A few months ago, I rescued this plant outside in the dumpster. It has new growth growing, and look at that, it has another one. All right guys, well I think I'm gonna put the camera down for today. I have a book club meeting tomorrow and I have to finish the book. I'm not even like halfway through it. So guys, I will see you tomorrow. Today, we are gonna finish up cleaning and just putting up the last little touches.
Rudolph, my dear, the forecast ain't clear.
A few years ago, my sister surprised me, and she knew that I was like in a moment of really needing a lot of Disney in my life, and she bought me this, a shower curtain. I just really adore this. So in the bathroom, it gets quite the makeover.
The red nose.
In the past, I put like a Christmas tree in here, but I'm not really sure what I want to do yet.
Rudolph, my man, you're the only one who can save the day. Say yea or nay. Now will you pull my sleigh? Rudolph. Now don't you act so coy. Let us go and fill all the little children's hearts with joy. Rudolph, my dear, you know the forecast ain't clear.
It's really nice out today, and Edmonds has a Christmas tree lighting, so I am headed to the Christmas tree lighting right now. What else? Chris Kringle.
If we make sure that we make the love that will bring that builds hope.
While shepherd kept there watching over silent flocks by night. Behold,
I just woke up. It almost looks like it snowed, but it's so cold and frosted. But look at the moon, it's still out. And those clouds over the water.
feared and tremble when low above the earth rang out the angel chorus that hail our Savior's birth. Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born.
Alright guys, well, thank you all so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season. I love you all. Mwah. Don't waste the sun.
Manger.